Imagine a place where the earth never sweeps, where deep below layers of ancient ice and rugged mountain peaks, colossal tectonic forces grind against each other, waiting for their next moment to strike. This isn't a scene from a movie, it is Alaska, one of the most seismically active regions on the planet, and far more dangerous than most people realize. When people think of earthquakes, California often comes to mind, but in reality, Alaska outshakes them all. It's home to 11% of the world's recorded earthquakes, and 4 of the most powerful quakes ever documented in the United States have struck here. But what makes Alaska so perilous isn't just its frequency of tremors, it's the kind of devastation that lurks silently beneath the surface. Alaska lies along the Pacific Ring of Fire, a giant horseshoe of seismic activity encircling the Pacific Ocean. Here, the Pacific Plate is constantly pushing beneath the North American plate in a process called subduction, creating immense stress and pressure that eventually gets released in catastrophic bursts of energy. One of the most infamous examples was the 1964 Great Alaska Earthquake, a 9.2 magnitude monster that remains the second largest earthquake ever recorded in human history. It lifted the ocean floor, cracked the landscape for hundreds of miles, and triggered tsunamis that killed people as far away as California and Hawaii. That quake lasted more than 4 minutes, an eternity in seismic terms, and reshaped the land forever. But even that isn't the scariest part. Unlike many other earthquake-prone areas, Alaska's seismic risks come with another deadly partner: tsunamis born not only from fault movement but from landslides, both underwater and above ground. These landslide-generated tsunamis are silent killers. In 2015, a massive chunk of rock broke loose in a remote area of southeast Alaska, crashing into a narrow fjord and sending waves over 2 feet high surging across the water. No one was injured that time, but scientists warn that similar events near more populated regions could be catastrophic. Places like Barry Arm near Prince William Sound are being watched closely because unstable slopes could collapse into the ocean with little or no warning. Entire coastal towns could be wiped out in minutes. And that is what sets Alaska apart: the unpredictability. Earthquakes here don't always follow the rules. Many strike in remote, unmonitored regions, making detection and response difficult. A quake could rattle a sparsely populated mountain range one day and then trigger a devastating tsunami the next, hundreds of miles away. It is like a game of seismic roulette. What makes it even more complex is the fact that Alaska's geology is incredibly varied and rugged. From the vast Denali Fault slicing across the state to the hidden subduction zones off the southern coast, the entire landscape is one giant jigsaw puzzle of stress points and energy waiting to be released. And the climate doesn't help. As glaciers melt due to climate change, they reduce the pressure on the Earth's crust, causing it to rebound and potentially triggering more seismic activity. Scientists call this glacial isostatic adjustment, and it's not just theory. There's real evidence that Alaska's shifting ice is adding to its tectonic volatility. For the millions of people living in the US and Canada, the danger isn't just academic. If a major earthquake or tsunami hits southern Alaska, the resulting waves could reach cities like Seattle, Vancouver, and even Los Angeles. Ports could be shut down, shipping lanes disrupted, and all infrastructure in Alaska's Cook Inlet and North Slope severely damaged. The economic ripple effects would be massive. But it is not just about dollars, it is about lives. Many Alaskan communities are remote, isolated, and difficult to reach even in calm weather. In a disaster, roads can disappear, airports may become unusable, and communication lines often go down. Emergency response becomes a logistical nightmare. And yet, despite all this, most Americans are unaware of the true danger that Alaska holds. The 1964 quake happened before social media, before Chubish, our news sickos, and its lessons have faded from public memory. But scientists haven't forgotten. In fact, they're more alarmed than ever. New studies show that large portions of the Alaska Aleutian subduction zone are overdue for major movement. GPS measurements reveal SWOW, relentless motion building stress every day. One fault segment alone could generate a magnitude 8.5 quake, enough to level entire communities. And then there is the looming threat of Anchorage, Alaska's largest city, which sits dangerously close to multiple fault lines. In 2018, a 7.1 magnitude quake struck just 10 miles north of Anchorage, causing major infrastructure damage but miraculously no deaths. It was a wake-up call, yet preparedness remains low. Many buildings still aren't built to proper seismic standards, and early warning systems are limited in coverage and reliability. The technology exists, but Alaska's vastness makes it hard to implement fully. And yet, nature waits for no budget. It doesn't care if sensors aren't in place. When it is ready, it will shake. What is even more chilling is that Alaska's geological activity doesn't stop at earthquakes and tsunamis. Volcanic activity adds another layer of danger. There are more than 130 volcanoes and volcanic fields in Alaska, with over 50 potentially active. Many sit along the same fault lines responsible for the most violent quakes. Ash clouds from eruptions can ground aircraft, disrupt global air travel, and pose serious health risks to nearby populations. In 2020, Mount Veniaminoff erupted, sending plumes miles into the atmosphere. That volcano, like many others in Alaska, is monitored, but monitoring doesn't prevent eruption. And so the question becomes not if, but when. Experts agree that Alaska is due for another massive quake or tsunami, and when it comes, the world will be watching. But will it be ready? The terrifying truth is that nature offers no guarantees, only warnings, and Alaska is screaming them. With each small tremor, each shifting glacier, each silent landslide under the ocean, the state sends a message to the world: pay attention or pay the price. Ignoring it means risking the same shock that rattled Anchorage in 2018, or worse, another 1964 scale disaster. This isn't just about Alaska. It is about understanding the fragile balance of our planet, the hidden forces beneath our feet, and the choices we make to prepare or not. Because the next time the ground shakes in Alaska, it might not just be Alaskans who feel it. It could ripple across the country, across economies, and across lives. That is why understanding Alaska's seismic danger isn't just fascinating, it is essential. From the silent cracks beneath ancient ice to the deep rumblings under the ocean, the threats are real, growing, and largely hidden from public view. But now you know. And knowing could be the difference between safety and catastrophe. So if you think earthquakes are a California problem, think again. Alaska is the real sleeping giant, and it's stirring. Are you ready?